Realistically, I'd say like start out with one or two signals, one at a so continue to do what you're doing because we need to hit the pipeline number or revenue number, right? So at the beginning, I say like crawl, walk, run. From what I've seen with other companies, it's like the crawl is you start bringing in one or two new signals. So for example, like intent, or if you can bring in like role changes, or you can bring in website visit as an individual, start with one. Just because from the operation standpoint, it's not overwhelming for the team to be like, oh my gosh, we overhauling everything. Just test the water. And then the second piece is it's critical to bring the people along. So when you just roll out with one type of signals, like for us, like role changes, for example, it's very easy to get sales team to buy in because that's something that they do normally already. So you can kind of corral the whole team to go after with this one program. And then within like about like 6 weeks or so, you should start seeing the momentum and pipeline being generated. Then you add on the second signal, whichever that works for your business. And that's as a tag on program.